Welcome back, friends, and welcome to TechUnboxPro, your daily destination for premium smartphone reviews and honest tech insights. Today, we are taking a deep and detailed look at Sony's most powerful and most advanced flagship smartphone of 2026, the Sony Xperia 17, a device that is designed for users who want professional performance, cinematic display quality, and DSLR-level mobile photography. The Sony Xperia 17 features a stunning 6.5-inch 4K OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making it one of the sharpest smartphone screens in the world. Sony has always been known for its display technology, and with this phone, they have pushed things even further. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, Netflix, or editing content, the colors look extremely natural, the brightness is excellent, and the HDR support makes every scene look cinematic. This phone is perfect for content creators and users who care deeply about visual quality. Under the hood, the Sony Xperia 17 is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which delivers flagship-level performance for everything from heavy gaming to multitasking and professional applications. Combined with up to 16 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, this phone feels extremely fast and smooth in real-world usage. Apps open instantly, games run at high frame rates, and there is absolutely no lag during daily tasks. Now let's talk about the biggest highlight of this device, which is the camera system. Sony has equipped the Xperia 17 with a triple camera setup featuring ZEISS optics, including a 50 megapixels main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a periscope telephoto lens with up to 10x optical zoom. The camera quality is simply outstanding. Photos have incredible detail, accurate colors, and professional-level dynamic range. If you are into mobile photography or videography, this phone feels like carrying a professional camera in your pocket. Sony has also added advanced pro camera modes, allowing you to manually control ISO, shutter speed, focus, and white balance, which is something very rare in smartphones. For video creators, the Xperia 17 supports 4K video recording, cinematic video modes, and advanced stabilization, making it one of the best phones for YouTube creators and vloggers in 2026. In terms of battery, the Sony Xperia 17 comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. You also get fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, so you can charge other devices as well. Sony has also improved battery health features to ensure long-term durability. On the software side, the Xperia 17 runs on Android 15 with a near-stock user interface, which means no unnecessary bloatware and a very clean experience. Sony promises long-term software updates and security patches, making this phone a great investment for the future. The design of the Sony Xperia 17 is premium and professional, with a sleek glass and metal body, slim bezels, and a very comfortable grip. The phone also includes IP68 water and dust resistance, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for quick unlocking. Overall, the Sony Xperia 17 is not made for casual users only. This phone is made for professionals, creators, gamers, and users who want the absolute best Android experience. If you are looking for the best Sony phone of 2026, a flagship camera phone, or a premium Android smartphone that can compete with Samsung and iPhone, then the Sony Xperia 17 is definitely one of the top choices this year. So friends, this was our complete review of the Sony Xperia 17. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro for more daily flagship smartphone reviews, comparisons, and the latest tech updates. See you in the next one, right here on TechUnboxPro. Rock it!